Hello everyone, I'm Michael. My girlfriend's birthday is a few days later, but I'm busy with my job and I don't have much time to choose a prime gift for her. So I'm planning to make a handbag for her with my Monport 80-watt. I hope she will like this handmade gift. Let's start. First, we open the Corel software to draw our ideas. We now choose a material for the gift. Because she likes white, so I decide to use the white leather to make it. Now we import the drawing into AliWork software, select cut. Then we set speed to 20 mm per second and set power between 25 to 35%. And click Go Scale to test whether the engraving path of the laser head will exceed the working area. Click Start after confirming. After engraving, I stitch it together with needle and thread. Add decorations and bag is ready. Now let's take a look at our finished product.